In August 2025, the media and crypto worlds collided when Trump Media and Technology Group and Crypto.com announced a massive $6.42 billion digital asset treasury focusing on Cronos, CRO, the native token of Crypto.com, Cronos blockchain. The news sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency community and sparked debate across financial markets. This video breaks down what the plan entails, how it could reshape corporate digital asset strategies, and what you should watch for. First, let's examine the players involved. Trump Media and Technology Group runs Truth Social, a social media and streaming platform aligned with former US President Donald Trump. Crypto.com is a global cryptocurrency exchange and payments company that operates the Cronos chain and the CRO token. The two companies have teamed with Yorkville Acquisition Corp, a special-purpose acquisition company, SPAC. Together, they plan to form a new entity called Trump Media Group CRO Strategy Inc., which will be majority-owned by Yorkville, Trump Media, and Crypto.com. This entity will go public through a merger with Yorkville, with plans to list on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MCGA. The partnership underscores a growing trend of public companies using SPACs to access capital markets for crypto-related ventures. The size of this treasury is eye-catching. According to the announcement, the new company will be funded with $1 billion worth of CRO tokens, approximately 6.313 billion coins representing about 19% of the total CRO market capitalization. Alongside the CRO allocation, there will be $200 million in cash and $220 million in mandatory exercise warrants, and an affiliate of Yorkville is providing a $5 billion equity line of credit. This financial structure makes Trump Media Group CRO strategy potentially the first publicly traded CRO treasury company, and possibly the largest digital asset treasury relative to the size of its underlying asset. A backstop agreement also allows the Yorkville affiliate to purchase shares submitted for redemption, ensuring liquidity and stability. Together, these commitments could give the company access to more capital than the entire current market value of CRO tokens. Why would a media company bet billions on a single digital asset? Looking back to May 2025 offers some context. That month, Trump Media announced plans to raise about $2.5 billion to purchase Bitcoin as a corporate reserve. The funds were to be raised through $1.5 billion in stock and $1 billion in convertible notes. Devin Nunes, the company's chairman and CEO, described Bitcoin at the time as an apex instrument of financial freedom. The move followed a path blazed by MicroStrategy, whose stock price skyrocketed after accumulating large Bitcoin holdings. These earlier steps signaled that Trump Media sought to emulate a strategy of holding scarce digital assets on its balance sheet. Cronos is central to this strategy, so understanding what it is matters. Cronos, CRO, is the native cryptocurrency of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by Crypto.com. Cronos Chain is designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrency by enabling low-cost, high-speed payments and integrations within the Crypto.com ecosystem. CRO holders can stake their coins to act as validators and earn fees, and they can use CRO to settle transaction fees on the network. Cronos Chain is interoperable. It is Ethereum virtual machine compatible and built on the Cosmos software development kit, using a proof-of-authority consensus mechanism. This design allows developers to port Ethereum dApps to Cronos and enables cross-chain communication with other blockchains, bridging the Cosmos and Ethereum ecosystems. As a result, Cronos supports decentralized finance protocols, multi-asset marketplaces, and even real-world asset tokenization. The partners see Cronos as an infrastructure play. In the press material, they describe Cronos as a high-performance, interoperable blockchain designed for speed, scalability, and seamless connectivity between networks. It offers low transaction fees and fast execution without the congestion of legacy networks. They argue that these characteristics make Cronos a strong foundation for the future American digital economy, powering decentralized applications in finance, commerce, and public infrastructure. By anchoring the new company's reserves and Truth Social's reward system in CRO, Trump Media aims to institutionalize the token. Industry analysts note this move treats a native token as part of a corporate treasury strategy. Beyond simply holding CRO, the new company plans to actively manage its treasury. Trump Media Group CRO strategy intends to operate a validator node on the Cronos blockchain. Running a validator node means the company will participate in network security and governance while earning native staking rewards that are reinvested to compound its holdings. Executives emphasize that they want to allocate company cash reserves to yield-generating, ecosystem-aligned assets, rather than passive holdings. The combination of the validator strategy, a massive token acquisition, and a credit line to buy more CRO suggests an aggressive approach to accumulating and monetizing Cronos. The announcement triggered an immediate reaction in financial markets. On the day of the news, the Cronos token surged. Reports noted that CRO rose by roughly 20 to 30%, with one account citing a gain of about 22.6% to around 19 cents, and another saying it jumped 29.6% to 20 cents. Trump Media's stock also climbed, rising around 4% to 6.6%. In contrast, shares of Yorkville Acquisition Corp dipped by around 2%. The price action underscored how sensitive markets are to corporate crypto announcements. Because the new Treasury would hold such a large share of CRO tokens, approximately 1/5 of the supply, investors also debated how accumulation could affect market liquidity and volatility. The scale of the plan is unprecedented for a single-asset Treasury and invites both excitement and skepticism. Supporters argue that by securing a large stake in Cronos and operating a validator, Trump Media Group's CRO strategy could capture long-term value as the network grows. However, critics highlight several risks. Concentrating billions of dollars into one token exposes the company to extreme price volatility. If you're watching this video to decide whether to invest, remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with professionals before making investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Express Econ Geofinance Insights and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.